Alright guys, so I'm going to show you two ways to have your PS5 enter rest mode using just your portal. Now it's pretty simple, so for the first way, just press the PS button. Then go to the bottom all the way to the right and select power and enter rest mode. Now your PS5 should go into rest mode, but if it doesn't, I'll show you a different option. But yeah, you're going to be disconnected. So just hold the power button and power off. Now for the second way, to swipe from the top right corner. And you're going to press on disconnect. Now you have to make sure this is checked off. Put the connected PS5 in rest mode. Then select disconnect. And yeah, from here, just turn off. And yeah guys, so there is to it. So hope this helped out.